Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the obvious failure points. Remove the tip and look for debris, bent pins, or stripped threads. A damaged tip can mimic charging faults. Once done, plug the pencil into a known good USB-C charger or directly into the iPad using the original cable. Adapters or hubs often cause intermittent charging. While connected, watch for the charging icon on the iPad. If it doesn't appear, make sure contacts are clean and try a different power brick rated 18W or higher. You now move into detailed diagnosis. First, forget the pencil in Bluetooth settings and power cycle the iPad. Software stacks sometimes block pairing. Then plug the pencil into power and wait 10 to 15 seconds before attempting to pair. This forces a fresh handshake. If pairing fails, swap cables and chargers to isolate the source. While doing this, monitor iPad battery and pencil heating. Excess heat suggests hardware faults. If the pencil charges but won't pair, update iPad OS to the latest version before you finish by addressing hardware fixes and next steps. If the connector or tip is visibly damaged, replace the tip first. Then consider swapping the USB-C connector assembly or entire pencil if you have parts knowledge. If the device is under warranty or Apple Care, schedule service. Apple will diagnose board-level failures. Make sure to test the pencil on a second iPad to confirm whether the issue is pencil or iPad. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: log the exact behavior and charging indicators.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.